VTNR stock appears to be rallying within a longer term downtrend. I know very well that Vertex Energy is involved in refining crude as well as also refining renewable diesel. So the folks at Seeking Alpha as of the 25th of July, they were pointing out that refinery margins are rapidly declining after a record period, and Vertex is one of the companies least capable of generating profits. Okay, there are at least 3 companies operating in the same sector that present a more attractive valuation, and then they were also pointing out that the price of oil continues to struggle between the Chinese economy still in difficulty and real possibility of recession in the Europe and all that stuff. But we know very well now that as of late, this is a much more recent news. Oil jumps to 10-month high as Saudi Arabia, Russia prolong cotton output, and oil is pushing $70 to $100. Before we look at the chart of crude oil, let's look at crude oil futures and see what the price is going at right now. 70, we have 74.40. I think this is around $74 or thereabouts. So yeah, this is what we are talking about now. This is this rally began in sometime in actually in June, 27th of June. So as of then, Vertex Energy was still declining. 27th of June, it was still declining. This is 24th of August. So as of 27th of June, let's see. Okay, this is okay. 27th, it rallied. It showed some strength when that happened. 27th of June. This will be 27th of June. 27th of June it rallied. We saw a spike then. Okay, and then it all of that it continued to show some strength, rose above its 50-day moving average. Okay, so everything has changed since that time. From July now, things have changed dramatically. In oil is now pushing at pursuing $100. It's forecasted to get to $100. Okay, well, what do we have here? We don't have any this is a daily chart of the crude oil futures. 8869 is the most upper projection, and let's look at the weekly projections. We might see something different there. On the weekly projection, we have 1385. that is really high. That's $138. On futures, there's 10621. Okay, and there's also 9508. And the 10 period projections are indicating that around it's projecting that maybe that it might soften a bit. By Monday the 30th of October. We might have a price of 63.46. But the key thing there is that the oil has remained strong regardless, and it has benefited those who kept faith with VTNR. We have seen it bounce from the lows of 3.93 as of 24th of August. So let's look at the chart for VTNR. Okay, on its daily chart, this is a 1-week chart. Okay, this is the 1-week chart. The 1-week chart is projecting nothing weak. There's no weakness on this. Going by the projection on its 10-week moving average, everything is bullish. Everything is a bullish projection. We have let's get it there. Let's see whether we can get that price sometime around 30th of October. We have a projection of $9.47. 30th of October. This is on the weekly chart. This is the projection of its 10-week moving average. So in terms of prices, we have in terms of Fibonacci projections, there are downward projections. We have 1.25. I don't think it has done that of late. 3.38, and then we have 4.9. We have 6.43. A couple of projections there. There is a 6.43. There is also a 10-week moving average projection there. That would be around 9th of October, $6.3. And then we have upper projection of 8.19. There's also that also coincides with a 10-week projection of the 16th of October, 8.26, and then we have 11.24 all the way towards 19.10. This is the weekly chart. On the daily chart, let's see what the projections are saying on the daily chart. On the daily chart, the projections are that there's going to be some weakness. Maybe this decline we saw yesterday might continue, and they might see that the 10-day moving average might reach a bottom as of this coming Monday, the 25th of September, and after that it might spike all the way towards something like $5.33 as of Wednesday the 27th, or thereabout, Wednesday the 27th. But that's the projection on its 1 week moving average, on its 1 day moving average. Around that will be around $5.3 by Wednesday the 27th. That is a week from today. On Fibonacci projections, we have a couple of downward projections, $2.9. We also have 3.91. We have 4.32. We have 4.55. We have 4.76. We have 4. Okay, we have 4. Yeah, the next one is 4.96. The next one is 5.23. 5.60, 6.65. The projections are quite modest on this daily chart for Vertex Energy. So we also have that its short interest is around 18%, 18.73%. It's going to take around 10.26 days to cover all those short positions. On the off exchange is at 51.03%. So are you confident enough to get involved with Vertex Energy? Yeah, well, see what you make of it, and I'll definitely continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.